Listen to a talk in a biology class.
Imagine trying to talk to a friend beside a busy road. You might raise your voice, but making a sound louder is not the only possible response to noise. Some city birds change the pitch of their songs. Birdsong serves several important functions. Male birds may use it to defend a territory or attract a mate. The problem is that traffic creates a great deal of low-frequency sound. This can mask or cover up the lower notes in a bird's song, making the signal harder for other birds to detect. Researchers have found that some urban birds sing with a higher minimum frequency than members of the same species living in quieter areas. Higher notes are less likely to overlap with the deep rumble of vehicles, so the song may travel more effectively through a noisy environment. Now, this does not always mean that a bird consciously decides to sing differently. In some species, individual birds can adjust their songs when conditions change. In others, the difference may develop across generations, because birds whose songs are easier to hear are more successful at defending territory and reproducing. So, urban noise is not merely an unpleasant background sound. It can influence animal communication in the short term and potentially shape the characteristics of a population over time.